Hello and welcome to Crafty Studio. My name is AnnMarie and this is, I think, the first vlog of 2025. How cool is that? So, you're not here to listen to me, you're here to see this. Oh! I gave myself a Christmas present and we will have them in the shop up with the little thing below. But I really wanted one of these for ages. But then I had seen the pink ones and they didn't have the pink ones, only in the US because, you know, the electricity is different in the US. But then they came out with a pink version. So Tula Pink came up with the pink Oliso iron. So if you don't know anything about this, this is going to be really cool and you're going to be like, wow, I can't believe that does that. So I'm going to open it up, unbox it. Look how fat the box is. I think I'm going to be keeping things in that. Please don't feed the fish. I'll explain that. It's kind of a funny thing. Give a little instruction book. And open it out. I really haven't unboxed this. It's been sitting in the hall for a couple of days until I got time to do this. Oops. Now, little refilling gadget. I have a few of these. I tend to keep my water in a bottle because I use water from the dehumidifier. So that's great to keep. I actually can use them for planting things. They're a nice size. I'm such a nerd. Na, 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 na. Here she is. I wonder, can I tilt you down a little bit further? Oh, okay. Look at that. Oh, so lovely. So, first thing I notice is the cable is absolutely massive. I think it's 3 meters long or something like that. That just seems a bit mad. Is it actually 3 meters long? I'm going to open the little book. Read all instructions before using. Who does that? Who does that? I don't do that. Terrible. Do read them all. Okay, this thing swivels 360 degrees. Wow. Okay, that's a gadget. Then spray nozzle. Okay. Then at the front is where you can, oh look, synthetic, wool, silk, linen. That's handy because I'm forever going, what does 2 actually mean? Linen and cotton is number 3. That's very clear, isn't it? Then you've got steam, no steam, lots of steam, even more steam, or something like that. 2, 3 and 4 little steamers at the top. This is to spray water in. This is to added steam function. I can hear it doing something. And then it says here, please read. So I'm just going to take that off there. Tilt that down a little bit more. It says droplets in my brand new tank are okay. I have been thoroughly tested in the factory. Any anti-scale system means tap water is okay. Hard water, use bottled water but never distilled. Empty water from tank is if storing for more than 2 days. So you have to empty the water from here. Oh, look at the way it empties like a little funnel. That's pretty cool. Never distilled water. Okay, I'm gonna read up on that because I use water from my dehumidifier because we've got hard water in this area. With hard water, use bottled water but never distilled. But the bottled water here would have a lot of calcium in it, so I don't know. Because it has an anti-scale system. How cool is that? Let's see how long this thing is. Let's see. I can plug it in. Now you're probably thinking, you've got no ironing board. You've got no ironing board. Wait till you see. I will get an ironing board though. This is massive, this cable. It actually reaches all the way over to the wall here. Whoop! Did you see that? Okay, I better not touch it because I need an ironing board. Move my cuppa out of the way. And I'll lift you guys up. Did you see that? How cool is that? I'll turn it around. There's no water in it at the moment. I have no water here. Okay, I'm going to press pause and get some water. Okay, so I've got some water. I'm going to fill her up. I can hear it on. It's up quite high. Number 3. I always have my iron on number 2. So I'll fill that up. Add some water in. Now, see the... Oh my god! I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm going to get some fabric and just show you how I would iron something. There's something nice and wrinkly. So normally, let's see if I can. So normally what you'd have your iron like this, wouldn't you? Oh look, please don't feed the fish. It's so cute. And it is actually quite heavy when you're not ironing with it. When you go to, if you have as a traditional iron and you had to keep doing this, it's quite heavy. But the idea is you just have it like this, right? Let it go and it will actually lift up. So what I would do is I put my fabric down, put my hand on it, and then just iron. So I'm not going to lift up the iron. You have to be a little bit patient there with the actual... Isn't that just magic? So it just takes a second. Because I have been watching videos with this, and a lot of people do is they take it and they lift it and then they start ironing with it. But it's heavy. So if you did that every time, it'd be too heavy. So I think if you just get used to, I think it's about getting used to the idea. And you could imagine if you're ironing loads of tiny little squares and you have to do each one at a time. I wonder, do I have a load of squares made? Probably not. That would be very convenient. But I'm telling you, it really did press that no problem. Let's do some more little tests. And I can just leave it there. I don't have to touch my iron. Here's a block that definitely needs a press. So I'm going to just pop that down there. And give it a good press. There's a weight to it, but if I don't have to lift it up, I'm okay. And I'm just amazed at the length of this cable. So I use normally a cordless iron. I might just give it a little bit of steam. Oh. Is the steam off? Ah, steam's not on yet. There we go. I'm turning this up to show you the steam on it. It's quite good, steam wise. Now it's just heating up still. So it probably needs a bit more. And look how flat that is. My other iron doesn't get things that flat. Now, in saying that, my other iron doesn't get things that flat. I'm going to put her here. She's so cute. It does. My other iron's really cheap yarn. I got it in like Lidl or Aldi. And the reason for that is I've never actually spent money on an iron. And I thought, I've been admiring this for a while. And maybe it'll take a bit of the hardship out of actually ironing. Look at it, isn't it gorgeous? So to be continued and see how I get on with this. I know it's a little bit of a quick unboxing and a vlog. There's no other gadgets in it. I'll have a read of this. Sole plate. Yeah, the tip of it's quite small. I do like the way it has this little edge all the way around. I love this. I think that's brilliant the way it, and can you see the cable in the background there? There's still loads of cable. You could be miles away from your socket. What's it telling me to do? Switch off and unplug. When you're filling the water tank, unplug it. Well, yeah, I think we'd do that, wouldn't we? Yeah. So it says when you store the iron, you have to store the cable wrapped around it. Yeah, everybody does that. That's the usual crack. I shouldn't be licking my fingers while doing this. That's terrible. Okay, there was like 4 pages. It wasn't an essay. We're all right. So. Okay, I better stop doing that. I will update you in a little while. I'm going to bring it to class with me. I really hope it doesn't get wrecked. It does have a non-stick plate at the bottom, which is brilliant. All my class irons have non-stick plates, and the ones here, just because interfacing. You know, interfacing. People will do it the wrong way around. But I have to get out of the habit of doing this, because that's not what it's for. That's what it's for.